Well, looks like I found a stalking cat here. He's been sitting right here in the middle of the platform. He decided to just show his little face. But now he's on the other side of the tracks by the police station, so... Yep, we found ourselves a cat. I wonder if he's working for the Chessie system and he got fired and he wants to work for the Chessie system again. I'm just hoping this little guy doesn't get killed by a train. I don't want that to happen. Wish I could keep him, but he's a wild cat, so he's probably strayed, and that would probably mean big trouble. So, yep. Just want to let you know I found one here. Looks like he's just peacefully sitting down. Pretty sure he's gonna take a nap pretty soon.